How to overlay a video in CapCut and make it transparent. Open up the CapCut app and click on the plus icon on the top. Click on the video that you want to overlay and then click on Add. On the scroll down bar below, you can see an option called Overlay, which is in the fourth place. Click on the option and this will open your gallery again. Click on the other video you want to overlay and fit it according to your interest. After this, again down below, you can see an option called Blend in the taskbar. Here, the blend option is right down below in the third place. Click on the blend option and then browse through the different filters that you can see on the screen. According to the type of videos that you have added, you can lighten and perform other edits. Here, we are going to set our video to lighten because of the given characteristics of our video. After choosing the correct kind of blend for your videos, click on the tick button on the bottom right corner. You can also see a slider on the screen which is used for the opacity of the blend. After finalizing your blend, you can also adjust the videos according to your interest. After you are done, you can review the video and then click on the export option which is in the top right corner. Click on Save to Device and this is how you can easily overlay a video in CapCut. We hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you for watching and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.